Welding like a pro just got easier. Ready to take your welding to the next level? Check out this game-changing helmet. This isn't your grandpa's welding helmet. The Lincoln Electric Viking 2450 ADV series helmet boasts an integrated LED light for superior visibility. It also features a digital interface for easy shade, sensitivity, and delay adjustments. The 4C lens technology provides crystal clear optics, reducing eye strain, plus the extra-large viewing area gives you maximum control. DIYers rave about its ease of use and enhanced visibility. It's a must-have for any serious welder. Ready to experience the difference? Head over to the product page on Amazon, summarized as Lincoln Electric Viking 2450 ADV on Amazon, to learn more and grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome DIY tool recommendations.